The signature file of the report contains the narrative portion of the report. It contains section headings such as conclusion, interpretation, and it also contains the name of the examining physician. To modify the contents of the signature file, click on Edit, click on User Setup, click on Report Setup, click on Signature. The current file used for user signature information is shown in the box at the center. Click on Define. The current signature file is opened in Microsoft Word. Edit the contents, for example, the section headings and the physician name, as appropriate. Save these changes by clicking on the Save icon. Close Microsoft Word. Click on OK. The new settings of the signature file will be applied for all subsequent patient studies. The previous patient reports are unaffected.